Hi friends, welcome back again. I'm here with one more CPP program for constructor. Okay, so first I have created a class called time, and I have initialized the necessaries of time. That is, the time consists of three things, right? Hours, minutes, and seconds. So I have initialized these three things in private, and in public I have just created a constructor. Okay, this is the basic principle of constructor. The constructor should have the same name as the class. So I have created a constructor, and in this constructor I have just initialized the values, the initial values for hours and minutes and seconds. Okay, so here the hours is 0, and minute is 0, and the second value is 0. Okay, and secondly I have created one more function called time, and I have initialized these values as x, y, and z. Okay, the hours, minutes, and seconds, I have initialized these values as x, y, and z, and I want to display this all these things. So I have created one more function called display, and in the CO, that is print, I'm going to display hours, and I'm going to display the value and the symbol, and minutes and the symbol, and seconds. Okay, and now I have created one more function called time mat. In this I have just initialized the time as c, and c dot hours, this is nothing but the I'm going to calculate the hours, that is a dot hours plus b dot hours. So I'm going to add these two values, and I'm going to store in this place, and it goes for minutes and seconds too, and I'm going to return c. Okay, and here I'm going for the main function, and I have called all these user-defined functions in this predefined function, and I'm going to display. Let's check whether this program is working. Yeah, so as you can see, the program ran well. It's showing 4 hours, 7 minutes, and 5 seconds. Okay, now let's go to another program. Hello guys, I'm back with a new program. In this program I'm going to discuss about constructor using class. Okay, in this program I have two values. I have two members called feet and inches. In this two members, that is feet and inches, I have initialized two float values. That is nothing but the decimal values. So I have initialized these two values as float, and it's also inside private. Okay, and inside the public I have just created a constructor called dis. As you know, the basic principle for constructor is it should have the same name as the class. Okay, it should have the same name as the class, and in this constructor basically I have just initialized the feet and the inches value. The initial value of feet here is 0, and the inches is 0. Okay, and I have created one more function called dis, and inside it I'm going to pass two values as argument, that is x and y, and here I'm initializing the feet and inches as x and y, and my next motive is to display the values which I have inputted. Okay, so I'm going for one more function for displaying, and inside the display function I'm going to display the feet and inches. Okay, and one more function for adding the values. Okay, in c dot feet I am going to add a dot feet plus b dot feet, and I am going to store these two added values in c, and as well as the same procedure goes for the inches, and I am gonna return c. Okay, and here I am going to create a main function. That is, as you know, the main function is a predefined function, and all these above functions are user-defined functions. So in this main function I'm going to call all the previous user-defined function in this main function. So let's check whether the program is working. Okay, so it's asking to enter the value of feet and inches. I'm going to enter feet is 5, and inches is nothing but 12. So you can see the calculations here. So the feet is displayed as 7.3, and the inches is 17.6. Okay, so the program runs well. Thank you friends.